Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. Dimensions 158.2 by 76.5 by 8.4 mm. Weight 155 grams. SIM dual standby, nano SIM. Colors black, silver, gold. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE band 1 2100, 3 1800, 5 850, 7 2600, 8 900, 2800, 42,300. Processor CPU 1.8 GHz octa-core Cortex-A53. Chipset Qualcomm STM450 Snapdragon 450. GPU Adreno 506. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 6.0 inches. Resolution 720 by 1440 pixels, ~269 ppi. Memory built-in 32 GB built-in, 3 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 400 GB. Camera main 13MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features touch focus, face detection, geotagging, panorama, HDR, video. Front 8MP. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio, not yet confirmed. USB microSD 2.0. NFC no. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE Cat4 150 Mbps. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/EAC+/WAV player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document editor, photo viewer, editor. Battery capacity 2965 mAh. Standby up to 522 hours. Talk time up to 26 hours. Music play up to 74 hours. Quick Charge 3.0 technology.